Hi friends. So we are back to the channel again, and this is the first analysis we are going to carry out in our channel, and this is the Red Gain Travel Technology Limited. So let's start our analysis. I've already given you my overview about the chart, and in case you have missed it out, so you can press the I button and find out the link, go and understand the chart layout, then come to this analysis, right? Okay. So our analysis will be based on, first of all, the time frame, and then we'll go to the candlesticks, line and bar charts, and that will also include some part of analysis of the exponential moving averages and volume analysis we have used. Our whole analysis is rightly based on the price actions or volume price analysis that we'll be utilizing it. That's it. So let's start our analysis. You can see this is the red gain chart. So the inception or the IPO date was approximately 13 December 2021. Until now, it has once tried to move up and thereafter it was into a basing, right? So any of our charts, whenever you visit it, first draw the support and resistance line, right? So you see this is the approximately support line. This is a resistance line, and this is another resistance line, right? So here you see these resistance lines, and of course the price has spent a lot of time here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. That is approximately 1.5 months. So this, there is also some major congestion area it is, and here also we can draw a line, right? So what do you see here? We see that the price has been forming a basis, and there are small volume spikes in the basis which you can see, that indicates that the big players are inside, and if the institutions are inside, then what is our aim is to just follow these institutions, just to follow their footsteps. When the institutions are in, then we'll be in, and when institutions will be out, then we'll be out, right? If you want to know the terminologies which I'm utilizing it, then you can just Google it or YouTube it, right? Because this chart analysis is for the advanced studies, those who are actually aspiring to build some kind of career in the trading, right? Okay. So I am not going to the nitty gritties of type of candlesticks, what is the meaning of a moving average or what is the meaning of a support or resistance. There are lot of YouTube videos are available on that. You can view them and understand. Then come back to my channel to learn and understand and carry out the advanced studies, right? So what we see here, you see here the price moved down, then went up, it faced resistance, again moved down, right? So all these moving down is on the account of low volume, and you see whenever the price is moving up, it is on the account of high volume. Again, you see here the price is moving on the account of high volume, and again it is falling in the low volume. In between, whenever you see a bull candle in between, right, you see some kind of volume spikes coming up. So here in this area, generally you find a lot of volume spikes, including the wide range candles. That means somebody is sitting here in this area who is not wanting that price would go down below the support level. So whenever price is reaching to this support level, it is volume is coming in instantly, and the institution pushing up the price. So this shows that there is strong interest in the stock. So now thereafter, this is the first candle which broke out one of the major this resistance level which was previously formed. So here you see that this is approximately, it is 42 hours. 42 hours means 42 weeks, rather it is 43 hours, right? So less than, it is approximately, you can say, around 10 to 10 months. The price was in consolidations, and thereafter we have seen a volume spikes and a wide range candle breaking the major resistance level. Then it went up, it hovered here at this resistance level, right? Then it came down, and thereafter it came out down on account of the low volume, right? And today, this week, it has broke out above this initial, this consolidations. So negating this 1.5 months of consolidations by one single candle and 1 day candle, especially because when we'll go to the daily chart, we'll come to know this. So some phenomenal activity is going on. This is, we can say that there is some change in character of this chart, right? So coming to the daily one, you see here such a good, beautiful candle. It is building up, and this base has been negated by this base, and there is another base it is forming up, and the volume coming up. See the volume spike, such a good volume spike and a good wide range candle. It has overcome all the previous candles that it had formed, right? So all the psychological levels it has crossed, and it is at a prime resistance level, which it is intending to break out. It is not sacrosanct in market, because market is a game of probabilities. So it might break this resistance, may not. It might come down like this, might consolidate for some days here, and then might break out. It can happen in any way, right? But however, our aim is that when to buy or how to enter such kind of stocks, right? So first of all, this is a disclaimer again. Please do not buy, or this is not a tips for this stock to enter, right? This is solely and strictly only for the learning purpose. This knowledge can be applicable to any kind of chart. It's not restricted to this chart, right? So if it break out this above level, this resistance, so keep a watch on it. So whenever it breaks out, this shows that there is bullishness has come inside, right? So for trading stop loss, you can utilize this 10 EMA or 21 EMA as per your desire, right? If you see here, the price broke out here, this level, right? So whenever it broke out this level, so you can enter here easily on this candle, breakout candle. See, such a good volume spike was there, and you could have entered here easily, right? And then whenever this candle first crossed and given a close below this 10 EMA, that is the day you should exit. Your exit should be generally at the end of the day, which you can plan. Otherwise, if you have some different choices, then you can go ahead, right? But a person who would have entered here and exited at this location, you would have bagged 12.38% profit, and that is not a small amount, of course, right? So aim of the market is to hunt you out, but if you are psychologically strong enough and if you are trained enough, then you will be able to sustain in this kind of market, right? So major emphasis on any chart has to be given to the base, the support and resistance, and how the moving averages are behaving, right? See, there is a base, and see, there is another base is forming up on this base. We'll call this as base on base, right? And such base on base, on account of, see, on this, after this breakout, the volume has been falling. Volume has been falling. When price was falling, volume was falling. Basically, volume was contracting, and then there was a breakout. So we will not enter here, or never plan an entry, or never trade a stock which is in contracting volume. Rather, after breakout, you can carry out an entry, right? So it is not physically possible to enter here and keep a stop loss here, because the range is, it is approximately 7 to 8% move. So we'll wait. We'll put a Fibonacci extension. This is expansion, retracement rather, and wait for the candle to retrace up to till 61% or maybe 17%. Wait for that. After retracement, if you find any kind of this reversal, then some kind of entry can be planned, right? So with this, I come to the analysis, end of the analysis of RateGain Travel Technology, and in future, looking forward for many such analysis, and stay tuned with me. If you like my analysis, if you gain or would have gained some knowledge out of this, then please like, share, and subscribe for wider publicity. Let's grow and let's others grow. See ya, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.